everybody. Hello. We are going to laugh on purpose because it feels good and it's good for us. So that's what we're up to. I'm going to take us through a series of laughter exercises, which are basically going to help us to make eye contact with each other and just be playful. So that's what we're up to. So I want to invite you to roll the shoulders with me. Just roll the shoulders, just breathing in. Releasing, getting audible if you want to. Yes. Yes. Roll the shoulders. Very nice. Very nice. Maybe one at a time if you're feeling like you want to do that. I used to do a lot of laughter yoga with elders. And this one woman, she was 95, and she told me this is the come hither.
Come hither.
Let's do the come hither with Odette. Very nice, very nice. Take your hands and just sway from side to side and just making some sounds with your voice, warming up the voice for laughter. Ho, 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 ho. Shake out your body. Act like you just got out of a cold shower. And say this with me. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Two more. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Last one. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. And yay. Very nice, very nice. This is the karate chop massage laugh. So what we're going to do is we're going to karate chop our body and we're going to laugh as we do so, giving ourselves a pleasant massage. All right? Here we go. Ready? Go. Don't forget your legs and your booty. Give yourself a nice smack on the booty. Now say this with me. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Two more. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Last one. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. And yay. Very nice. Breathe in, stretch up. And release. Breathe in, stretch. And release. This next time, just laughing on the way down. Breathe in. Just laughing. We're going to imagine that there's an itch that we're trying to scratch, but we can't quite reach it. And we're going to laugh the whole time, all right? Ready, go. And now just tickle yourself, just tickle yourself and laugh. And say this with me. Very good, very good. Again. Very good. We've been in our houses laughing. How many of you have pets? Do you have pets? Most everybody. Christina, you don't have a pet?
No.
I don't either. I don't have a pet. So we are going to imagine if we do have a pet. And since I've been watching Tiger King, I'm going to have a tiger. Okay, so this is laugh with your cat or dog. So you take your little ears and you make eye contact with all the other cat and dog lovers and you just laugh. All right, ready, go.
Look at that cat.
Do that with me. Ow! And very good, very good. Yay! Let's do that again. Very good, very good. Yay! How you feeling out there? Feeling good?
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. This is a little lion laughter. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our claws out by the sides of our face. Rawr. Rawr. You're going to make your eyes wide and you're going to stick out your tongue and you're just going to laugh. Ready? Go. And you sit there for the lion. Very nice. You know, here we are, we've all been home alone or home together with your boo or your roommates or whomever, but we've been home. How many of you are feeling a little stir crazy? Anybody? All right, I got you, girl. I got you. Well, we're going to do some, you know how I'm thinking about clams. And clams, we're just going to be happy as a clam. Even though we're just stuck in our own little shell, our own home, if you will, we just are going to laugh anyway, all right, as we open up and close down. Here we go. Ready? Go. And very good, very good. Yay! Let's do that again. Very good, very good. Yay! Oh, just sigh out, everybody. Ah. Breathe in, stretch up. And release. Ah. Breathe in, stretch up. And release. Ah. Fantastic. Fantastic. I'm actually going to open up the floor because I'm not the only certified laughter yoga teacher here. So I'm going to open the floor. If others would like to lead laughter yoga exercises, just tell us your name, where you're from, and lead us in an exercise.
Hey everybody, my name is Liliana from Montreal, Canada. And like Celeste, I have the privilege of being a master trainer as well. And in today's world, we're all very, very scared. So how about we do the 50-50 really, really afraid, followed by, you know what, F off this afraidness, and we're just going to let go and laugh, all right? So we'll do the afraid. Oh. Really afraid of everything that's going on in the world. That's where we're just going, okay, I'm afraid, and let's just let go and yell, laugh, whatever feels good for you. Thank you, Celeste.
Thank you, my friend. Let's do a very good yay! Anybody else? Christina.
Yes, hello everyone. I'm Christina from Romania, Europe. I live in Bucharest. I'm laughter yoga teacher and laughter ambassador in my country. And now I just want to draw a smiley face, okay? Let's draw a smiley face and laugh at the end. And now the eyes. Okay, once again. Very good, very good. Yeah. Very good, very good. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Me?
Joanna, yeah.
Yeah. I'm Joanna from France. So please bear with me with my English communication. Okay. Let's put a cream on our face. Okay. The cream.
Cream? Yeah.
Where's the cream? Very good. Yay.
Good. Very good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Merci beaucoup.
Très bien, très bien.
Okay.
Très
Très
bien.
bien, très bien.
Anybody else?
I think we should extend on that, and it should be sunscreen. And we should put it all over our body, and when we squeeze it out, it makes fart noises. But when we're getting out of the bottle. We got it on there. We're going to the beach. We got to lather up.
May I another exercise, Celeste? Okay.
Absolutely.
Let's do the numbers laughter. Okay, when I say 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, you laugh. When I say 1, 3, 5, 7, okay, and 10, you stop laughing. Okay. 1, 2. 4. 5. 6. 8. Ten. Very good, very good. Yay. In my language, fuerte bine, yay. Fuerte bine, yay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Christina. So we are gonna laugh with our mouths closed. Okay, ready? Go. And just kind of open up and let out a little laugh. And let it just naturally build. Take a good deep breath in. Breathe in. And release. Good deep breath in. Breathe in. And release. This next time we're just going to giggle on the way down. Breathe in. Just laughing. We're going to enjoy appreciation laughter. So in appreciation laughter, you appreciate everybody here for helping you to laugh longer and more. So what that looks like is like a high five, elbow bump, a wink, I don't know. All while laughing, appreciating each other. Ready? Go. And very good, very good. Yay! Let's do it again. Very good, very good. Yay! Excellent, everybody. This is our last laughter exercise. We are going to end with the namaste, okay? Instead of namaste, it's namaste. So what you do is you place your hands at your heart in that namaste position, and you acknowledge the crazy in me sees the crazy in you, and you just laugh. All right? Ready? Go.
Namaste,
And then you just let yourself just laugh some more. And say this with me. Very good, very good, yay! Do that again. Very good, very good, yay!